How to increase media volume while in call. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can increase media volume while we are in call. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start. In order to do that, you just need to open up your device and let's say you are on a call. So what you're gonna do is, in order to increase, you may just tap or click on your volume button. After that, you can see these settings here. So what you're going to do is increase the volume of this particular one rather than the ringtone of your device. Or let's say if that doesn't work, what you can do is, if you are on a call, just make it to speaker. After that, just increase your media's volume to the highest. After that, whenever you play some media in the background media's sound will be much more higher than the call. So you may just follow that step and you should be able to increase your media volume while you are in call. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.